Hello everyone! Hello to my viewers and subscribers! Happy New Year to everyone! I hope everyone is okay and you have a peaceful and prosperous New Year. So let us start a new beginning for our journey in YouTube. Right now I am here in the kitchen. I'm preparing our lunch for the New Year Day 2. So right now I'm here in Germany with my family and I am preparing the food. My recipe today is the sausage, okay? This sausage is a beef sausage. I am boiling this one into the hot water. This is the traditional food of the German, the sausage. And I have here also, I prepare also a Mediterranean food or Arabic food, this one. This is called in Cyprus as KOPIPIA and in Greek, but in Arabic it is MOLOKIA or the leaves of the grapes, this one. This one is, what is inside here is rice, cooked rice with the minced beef, with the carrots cut into small pieces, with onions, garlic, with black pepper powder, paprika, garlic powder, with soy sauce, with teriyaki sauce, on Maggi cubes. So I cook first the meat with the spices and I mix the beef, cooked beef with all the spices and the rice which is already cooked. So I mix it together and wrap it one by one. So each piece of this molokia or kopipia, its leaves, you have to put one tablespoon and wrap it nicely. And after that, when you're finished, you have to put it in the casserole or in the pan and put 2 cups of water if it is really very full, the casserole, and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes in a low fire, because the food is already cooked. Only we have to boil it, the food, so that the leaves will also completely cook. And also here I have here, this one is onions with parsley, with garlic, and I'm going to cook together with this carrots. Here I have carrots here, look at here. And I'm going to mix this one with the beans. Look at here, this is the beans. And I will add this tomato sauce. So this is the beans with carrot and tomato sauce. And I add this paprika powder, this black pepper powder, with garlic powder, with little bit soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Maggi cubes. So I don't need salt because there is already a soy sauce. So this is our lunch for today. Look at here, the sausage, this kopipia, and this one with the tomato sauce. So I'm going to adjust the heat and I'm going to add this tomato sauce here. Look at here. So this is our food for today. It's only very simple food, because in Germany the traditional food is sausage, and during a special occasion like Christmas, New Year, they used to prepare roasted beef. So you have to prepare in one day, and in the following day you have to bake in the oven, because they are roasting a big portion of beef. and sausage, boiled sausage or grilled sausage, together with the uh, boiled potatoes, and they will make it into a potato salad mixed with vinegar, onions, and garlic. And